Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. My name is Preeti Rajpurohit. I am your computer teacher. So student, today we are going to start our first chapter, that is evolution of computer. So let's start. So basically students, we are going to discuss this chapter in two parts, part 1 and part 2. Today we will cover part 1 and next class we will cover part 2. Here are the objectives which we are going to discuss today. The topic is what is computer, history of computers, various calculating device, early IT inventors, ENIAC and UNIVAC 1. Our first topic is what is computer. So students, you are familiar with this term as you have already learned it in your previous classes. We are just going to recall it once again. What is computer? A computer is a machine that can be instructed to carry out sequence of arithmetic or logical operation automatically via computer programming. The term of computer is derived from the word compute, which means to calculate. But a computer is not limited to perform only calculation. A computer is a versatile device that can handle different applications at the same time. Computers have now become a basic need because of their use at almost every workplace. Computers are used extensively in banks, hospitals, media and entertainment, industry, school, home, space technology and so on. Students, earlier we were not having the calculating device like calculator, smartphone. We were doing the calculation with the help of only these three basic methods, that is stone, stick and finger. It was a very big challenge to obtain accurate calculation in less time. With the passage of time, many computing devices go introduced for calculation and to make a calculation easy. Now further we will discuss some earlier computing devices. First one is abacus. This is the first computing device which is invented by China more than 5000 years ago. Abacus is also known as counting frame. On the screen you can see the image of abacus. You can see that it consists of rectangular frame. The frame is divided into two parts, heaven and earth. You can see that heaven is the upper portion and earth is lower portion. Each rod in heaven has 2 beads. Each rod in earth has 5 beads. The abacus is used for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Napier's bones. In 1617, John Napier made a calculating device, a set of rectangular rods called Napier's bone. The rods were made up of curved bones which were used for performing addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and square root. Next one is Pascal adding machine. Pascaline was invented by Blaise Pascal in 1642. So children, it is the first mechanical calculator that worked through a series of wheels and gear. It was initially known as arithmetic machine, then called the Pascaline wheel, and finally got its name as Pascaline. This mathematical apparatus had the ability to add, subtract, although it did not do so directly. The machine was also capable of multiplying and dividing by means of subtraction or addition in a repetitive manner. Next one is Leibniz calculator. It was a digital mechanical device which was invented by German mathematician around 1671. It was also used to basic calculation like addition and subtraction. The Leibniz calculator could even do multiplication, division and find square root. Our next topic is early IT inventors. Students, you may know who is the father of computer? Charles Babbage. He invented a working model of mechanical computer called the difference engine in 1822 and the analytical engine in 1833. The analytical engine had 5 units input, output, store, meal and control. Store was used for storing the data and meal was the calculating unit. This unit worked like the modern computer. All the computers which are used nowadays are based on it. Control unit was used for supervising all the units. Students, difference engine are so called because of the mathematical principle on which they are based, namely the method of the finite difference. The beauty of the method is that it uses only arithmetical addition and removes the need for multiplication and division, which are more difficult to implement mechanically. Next one is Lady Augusta Ada Lovelace. She was an English mathematician and writer. She is considered as the first programmer who suggested binary data storage 0 and 1 instead of decimal number system. George Boole. George Boole was an English mathematician. He realized that complex mathematical problems could be solved by reducing them to a series of questions having either positive or negative answer. He linked them with the binary number system and represent the positive result by 1 and the negative ones by 0. This theory of Boolean logic became the fundamental principle for the design of computer circuitry. Next one is tabulating machine. Herman Hollerith, an American statistician, invented this machine. It was capable of reading data, processing it, and giving the desired output. The input was given through the punch card. The punch card were used to record and store the data or information. John von Neumann. He was designed electronic discrete variable automatic computer ADVAC in 1950. So students, John von Neumann's development of software written in binary code. It was John von Neumann who started the practice of storing data and instruction in binary code in memory. ADVAC was built using binary code. ADVAC concept of storing different program on punch card led to the advancement of computers that we know today. ADVAC full form is Electronic Discrete Variable Automatic Computer. Howard Alkan was the primary engineer in IBM who developed the first automatic sequence controlled calculator, the Mark I, in 1944. It was capable to execute long computation automatically. ENIAC. Its full form is Electronic Numerical Integrated and Computer. ENIAC is the first general purpose electronic digital computer, was invented by John Mauchly and J. Presper Eckert in 1946. It consisted of 18,000 vacuum tubes and was 1,000 times faster than Mark I. It could add two large numbers in 200 microseconds. So student, this is the last topic, UNIVAC first. Its full form is Universal Automatic Computer first. It was the world's first commercially available computer. It was designed by J. Presper Eckert and John Mauchly in 1951. It was the first computer to handle both numeric and text data. Okay students, see you in next class. Take care.